Praise the Lord. Hi all, I am Adeline from Mathurkot. It is a great opportunity to say something about women on this International Day of the Girl. It is a great responsibility to empower women. Also, it is necessary for gender equality. In the past, women were resistant in home and were not permitted to step out of the house and work. Their household responsibility are their only area of work. But with the society seen many changes. Now women are given equal opportunity at work and are allowed to stand among and at times ahead of men in many fields. Women are realize their strength and ability and contributing to the success of their home and envy society. It was not possible before, but now it is a possible, and they are doing to total, and you can see that women are reaching great height and even traveling to space. In addition, they are entering into every field and are making success in all of them and proving what they are capable of. The modern women are no longer dependent on men. She is independent and self-confident in their accept and is capable of doing everything equal to men. Also, we should respect each of them, but because no gender, but for their own identity. We have to accept their both women and men contribute equal to the betterment of the women and society. Women are the one who bring life, and they woman is extraordinary no matter their she work whether into it a home and office. They are making a difference to the world around her, and most importantly they play a vital role in the upbringing of children and making a home. Our responsibility in the honor and appreciate the women who are making success in their life and bring success into the life of women and those around her. We are moving toward an extremely time is history where the world accept gender balance. Now the world notice their absence and celebrate their presence. To acquiring it feel nice to have a day to celebrate the achievement of women. Let recognize the significance of women in life. Once again, thank you all the great opportunity. Praise the Lord.